what's about? So today I'm gonna make a French toast. So it's a bit common, but I'm gonna make a eggless French toast. So let's go. So this is a easy recipe for a snack. So I'll tell you the ingredients. So we need the milk, custard powder, sugar, cinnamon, salt, breads, and a whisk if you have. Now let's start doing it. So first we need the custard powder. And then I'm gonna add sugar. Then the milk. The color is coming, guys. Now I'll add a pinch of salt and a pinch of cinnamon. Now I've mixed it, so now I put the chicken. Now we have added ghee. So we dipped it in the batter and we put it in the pan. This is getting ready. It looks yummy. So tasty. This is a wonderful morning snack. So like my videos, subscribe and share it to your friends, and bye bye. Till then, I'll eat my snack.